Hey friends, this is Atif here. And welcome to the new update on XLM. On a daily time frame chart, the price line of XLM is once again rejected by the resistance of the down channel, and now it is moving above this short-term support of 34 cents. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several hours, it is testing this support, but could not break it down. But if the price line breaks down this short-term support, then it can drop down at the support of the channel, along with it can also test this long-term support zone. That starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that on the 7 days time frame chart. We have already broken out this falling wedge pattern. By the way, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern for the past 2 years, even before the breakout. And I've been telling you that once XLM will be able to break out this wedge, then we can expect a very massive rally. And we will also analyze this rally as well. You can see that after the breakout, it turned very strong bullish. And I would also like to show you this very huge ascending triangle that XLM formed on the monthly time frame chart. By the way, this time you can see that oscillators, the stochastic and RSI, both oscillators were overbought. And previously, when the price line was reached resistance on this monthly time frame chart, by the way, you can see that stochastic and RSI, both oscillators were overbought and the price line moved down, tested support. And here, when again, it moved at the resistance of the triangle in the month of May 2021, you can see that both oscillators were overbought. Therefore, again, the price line moved down. And this time, again, both oscillators are entered the overbought zone and now they're turning bearish and the price line is rejected by the resistance of the triangle. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rejection as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And this was a very big and huge harmonic bullish reversal setup that Stellar formed on the monthly time frame chart. And so far, this signal has produced more than 400% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for XLM. Not recent one. This is a quite long-term trade signal that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And by the way, I have been showing you this trade setup in my so many previous videos for the past 2 years. And this was a bullish Gartley pattern, which was formed on the monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And when I shared this signal at that time, the price was at 12.7 cents. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then has pumped very well and rallied up to 63.74 cents. And by the way, the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley move, and these sell targets I've been sharing with you in my so many previous videos, was from 42.3 cents and goes to 66.81 cents. And now finally we have hit the targets. And now if we take a look at this recent falling wedge pattern, let me to show you first this down channel that recently Stellar has formed here on this daily time frame chart. And you can see that since after 24th of November 2024, the price line is moving inside this channel. We had a rejection here, bounce, and at the bounce here, rejection, bounce, and now it is again rejected. Now here we have found a short-term support at 34 cents. For example, if the price line breaks it down, then it can drop down at this long-term support zone. That starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support zone has been breaking as a very strong resistance zone here, support here, support here, support zone here, and again it can work as a very strong support zone for the price line of Stellar. And in case of breaking out this channel, the technical target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 63 cents. Now let's take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous huge falling wedge pattern. On the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this wedge. And by the way, I have been showing you this wedge for the past 2 years, even before the breakout. And I was telling you that after the breakout, the technical target will be here at the top of the wedge from 80 cents to $1. And now you can see that we are very close to hit that target. Now I would like to show you this very huge ascending triangle that Stellar has formed on the monthly time frame chart. But unfortunately, this time, again, it is getting rejected by the resistance of the triangle. You can see that both oscillators, stochastic and RSI, were overbought. And previously, when the price line was reaching at the resistance, and every time when the oscillators were overbought. At the same time, you can see that the price and was rejected, and same as like the previous moves. Again, it is there are both oscillators are overbought. RSI is overbought, and stochastic has also just touched the overbought zone as well. And now the price is turning bearish, oscillators are turning bearish. Therefore, now we may see some more price correction. It is also possible that we may test this support zone from 27 to 25 cents. And for example, if the price then also breaks down this support zone, then it can drop down at the support of the triangle approximately at 10 cents. But if the price then will start another reversal move from here after this price correction, then I'm expecting that soon it can also break out the resistance of the triangle. This is a quite long-term trade setup. And by the way, if we take a look at the target after the breakout, once it will be able to break it out, remember this is a monthly time frame chart, therefore it can take some time. But after the breakout, the technical target will be here. That will be approximately somewhere between $48 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.